Do you want to start your studies in winter semester 2023 in Germany and wondering when you should send in your application and where to send it to and how and what next? Then this video is for you. And at the end of this video, I'm going to give you also some tips that worked for me when I was making my application. Hi, my name is Sylvia and welcome back to the channel. Click the subscribe button if you have not subscribed yet to the channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified on new videos like this. In this video, I will be explaining one of the most important steps in the application process, which is when you should send your application for the winter semester 2023. In order to answer this question, you need to know where you are sending your application to, because in Germany, study applications are either sent to two places. One, directly to the university, or second one, submitted through the Uni Assist portal. So for the sake of demonstration, I'm going to be using this particular course to demonstrate to us how to find the application deadlines. And let's assume we are going to be sending this particular university application directly through the Uni Assist. So here I'm going to show you where to find this information and how to go about it. If you don't know how I got to this point, that means you have not watched my first video where I explained everything about this DAD website. So please click on the link that you see right on your screen to watch this video later so that you understand how I searched for these universities that are tuition free up to this point. So I won't be covering that in this video. Let's select this first university. When I click on this particular link, it brings me directly to this place where you see that this is the link to the University Industrial Engineering BS, and this is Rhine-Waal University of Applied Science Cleve. And you go straight to this requirement tab where you can see that the application deadline is the 15th of July for the following winter semester. But now we already know the deadline. So when are we supposed to start? When is the starting date? So this is the question we should be asking. And now it says submit application to, so you should submit it through Uni Assist. So basically, once you are on this, any course you search on this DAD website and you are on this tab requirements, it will tell you where you should send the application to. So this is why this particular site is very important when you are making application. Please do well to watch the first video to understand it fully. I explained it in details there. So now we have to go to Uni Assist to know how to make this, but it says please do not submit any application in hard copy. See our website. We are going to click on this link now to see the details regarding how to submit this application. And so when I click here, so it brings me to this point, which is the prospective students. So once we are here on the website of the university, we have to navigate to the current application period. We click on this point and scroll down. So now it says here, application deadline for summer semester. Oh, this is already gone. So we are looking for the new one. If you have obtained a university entrance qualification outside of Germany, so we are international students, we have to apply through this particular link. So we're going to click on this link. If you have obtained your university entrance, okay, in Germany, so you click on this. Please note that an APS certificate is required for applications from winter semester 2023-24 if the university entrance qualification was obtained in India. So I wanted to point out this. If you're applying from India, if your qualification is from India, sorry, you have to get this certificate, APS certificate. So please bear this in mind. So now we have to click on this Uni Assist to go to Uni Assist portal to know when to start this application. So when you click on this point, it brings you here. So this is the Uni Assist portal. So this is one website you need to know, you must know if you are going to be applying using Uni Assist. If you want me to do a video guiding you through this whole process in Uni Assist, you can write it in comment section below and I would look through that. But right now, let's look at the deadlines, which this video is all about. You click on this point and it brings you here. So now this is the deadline according to Uni Assist. So Uni Assist says here that you should apply as early as possible. Their recommendation is send your documents and make your payments at least 8 weeks before the deadline expires. So note here that the deadline of Uni Assist is the same deadline with the university's deadline, so which is 15th of July. And here it says you may apply as soon as the university has activated the application in My Assist. So this is the link directly where you'll be making this application. So when you click on My Assist, it will directly direct you to this particular portal, to this particular page where you're going to be making this, where you're going to search for this university that you want to apply to. So I'm going to remove this, and the semester we're looking for is winter semester 23-24. And here you have to know the university that you are looking for. So let's see. Our university is Rhine-Val University of Applied Science, Cleve. So we're going to search for that Rhine-Val here, and I would search, and it says no result. Okay, so for us to be sure that there is no result, so this means that the university has not published this, has not opened their window for application in Uni Assist. So this is what it means. But for you to be very sure that you are not missing something, let me also show you another way of searching for this. So let's delete this. So let's search by the federal state. So which state is this university located in? So when we come here, it says Cleve. So Cleve is the city where this university is. So for us to see this federal state is just a simple search that you will say what state is Cleve in, and it says North Rhine-Westphalia. So here on the portal, you're going to just type North Rhine-Westphalia. No result. No, shouldn't be. I'm not trying. So here. So this is the state, federal state. So now once we are here, so we open this university. So we have to look through all of these universities to see if our university is here. So basically, we can already see that the first search was actually correct. So our university is not yet here. So this means that it has not been published here. So you have to be checking back to know when they would publish this. But if you go by what it says here, at least 8 weeks before the deadline expires. So 8 weeks before 15th of July is going to be beginning of May. So I would suggest you check back on this website in April to be sure that you have enough time. And I think by April, definitely it would have been published on their Uni Assist portal. So this is just how you're going to be searching for this if you want to go through Uni Assist to make your application. If the university you're interested in says you must apply through Uni Assist. So 8 weeks before is what they recommend, so that you can have time to send in all your documents, or if they need to get back to you for any document that is missing, they can have this whole window as the time frame before the 15th of July, which is the closing date for all applications in winter semester 2023. So I wanted to quickly show you something. For example, we think of the winter semester and select summer semester, North Rhine-Westphalia. Now let's just select search for our university. So I just type Rhine. So you can already see that the university is Hochschule Rhine-Val, and you select it. So let me see. Yeah, Rhine-Val, University of Applied Sciences. University of Applied Sciences in German means HS, Hochschule. So that is what they abbreviated it as, HS Rhine-Val. So now you can see this is for summer semester, just to show you how it looks like when you have the search here. And here it says this course of study is currently not open for application. So basically, if the winter semester was already here and it's open, you would already see that it's open. It will show green button, or it says it's open for application, and then you would directly click on the course and make your application. And here you can also see details that this is the Federal State North Rhine-Westphalia. The campus is this, and all the necessary information. The course type is full-time, yes, and course category is presence. So I mean, this is just how to see it. Brings me to the second step if you're applying directly to the university. So this is not through UniAccess, but directly to the university. So I'm going to search for a course here that would say that you would apply directly to the university. I'm going to just go back and search for another course and see a course that would not be requiring me. So basically, for you to search this, you have to be opening up each of the courses you're interested in to see if there is any course that would say apply directly to the university portal. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to click on this bachelor's degree artificial intelligence Deggendorf. I know already because this university accepts application directly. So I'm going to click on this, and it will bring me to this page, which is the university's page, BS Artificial Intelligence, and you click on requirements and registration. You come down here, it says application deadline is 15th April until 15th July for October entries, winter semester. It says here, please apply directly. It says, please apply directly to Deggendorf Institute of Technology via the application portal. So this is very clear. You're not going to go through UniAccess, so this is already going to be application for you, free without no payment of any fees like in UniAccess. So for us to see to see more details, you have to then click on this link to direct us to where you're going to make the application. So once you click on this link, it will land you straight to this place, which is what would you like to apply for? Yeah, full-time yeah, so this is for international students, and you scroll down and you see the apply button where you make the application. So it's all about registering on the portal, and before you make the application, this is what you need to get ready. And then I think it's basically just straightforward by hitting this apply now, and it brings you to this point where you would either register for the online application, or you would log in if you have done this before. So when I click on register, it brings me to this point. So basically, you can already start now to apply to this university, because if it is not open, you're not going to see this link. This link wouldn't be activated. So this means you can already start applying for this particular course to this university, or any of the courses that this university offers. So I think we have basically covered what I wanted to talk about in this video. And the next things would be, after making your application, you would be checking on your emails, and they would respond to you if your application has been successfully accepted, and if there are any important information, they will send you emails, and if there are anything you need to know, they'll be sending you correspondences. So be sure to always check your email from time to time, because some of these things might have deadlines. At the beginning, I mentioned about tips I would give in this video. So one thing to remember is the winter intake is the primary one in Germany, where most universities accept applications, especially for bachelor programs. So a lot of courses are open in winter semester, unlike in the summer semester where limited courses are open. So do well to make sure you apply to some courses, not just one, but some universities in this winter semester, so that you can have ample chance to gain admission and come to Germany. If you found this video very helpful, please like and share this video so that others can see this video, and also subscribe to the channel to get notified whenever we upload contents like this. So drop your comments and concerns in the comment section, and I would respond to them. And with this, I want to say congratulations in advance in your applications, and thank you very much for watching, and see you on the next one.